I'm foul, this bitch coming firm.
I'm at the meet. Probably not gonna vlog as much because I got this, so I'm trying to get some shots for that. So yeah, I'll see you maybe. I don't know. Look at her crazy ass. That's what I gotta do with every meet. She crazy as shit. Yeah. Where'd the boy go? This dude. You can just do it on YouTube, man.
I don't care.
You don't care?
They heard me.
What the hell, y'all? I didn't even know he was here. Was that the same one at the barbecue?
And that is how you take a picture.
Yeah, no. I don't care what kind of clutch you had.
I know. Did you see my shots?
No, I didn't.
You think so?
Not your best friend, your mother.
Man, she's great. I'm gonna call the police on you. Boom! Man, I had her on the wall by her neck. She was like.
So how long you drove out here?
Out again as well for the clean culture.
I'm thinking about getting one, man. Yes.
It's hard to break the already down, bro. It's hard. I see the time.
Yeah, I've been hearing they've been having transmission problems with this.
What's on Park Street?
Yeah. The hatchback. They are very hard to find. If you're lucky to see one,
Once you go Cali City, it's like night and day. They use a pop like
they get them automatic. They'll sell them like their other ones.
Shout out to Ambitious Whips as always. Shout out to Vince. You know, okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to the meet tomorrow, so I'm not sure. But I have to clear out my phone.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.